I built something very special into this wall. I'm hanging this TV on this wall that I built, and I want to show you how proud I am for thinking ahead. My nearest outlet is over there. It would be very tacky for you to run a cord from here to there. You see that? Let me cut out my secret hole so you can see it better. All done. All it is PVC pipe that I put some corners in and attached it to the other side of this wall to have it come out right here, making it super easy for me to plug in all of my television cords. This wall is made of plywood, so it was very easy to attach this PVC pipe into this wall. But I did see someone use the same kind of thing in a wall of sheetrock. Putting this quick little connecting tube is a great idea. That way I can enjoy this beautiful accent wall without having to look at cords. Next step in this room is to dye this sofa. Let's see. It's been in here this whole time. Follow along if you want to see how this room turns out.